Here are 50 sentences using I wish I could. These sentences showcase how I wish I could is used to express desires, aspirations, and sometimes regrets about what one is unable to do. 1. I wish I could travel the world. 2. I wish I could speak multiple languages fluently. 3. I wish I could play the guitar like a professional. 4. I wish I could spend more time with my family. 5. I wish I could help everyone in need. 6. I wish I could relive my childhood. 7. I wish I could visit my favorite celebrity. 8. I wish I could solve this problem quickly. 9. I wish I could run a marathon. 10. I wish I could take a long vacation. 11. I wish I could stay calm under pressure. 12. I wish I could remember everything I read. 13. I wish I could cook like a chef. 14. I wish I could paint beautiful landscapes. 15. I wish I could spend more time outdoors. 16. I wish I could meet my best friend more often. 17. I wish I could own a house by the beach. 18. I wish I could master public speaking. 19. I wish I could stay awake all night without getting tired. 20. I wish I could find more time for my hobbies. 21. I wish I could visit space. 22. I wish I could make people laugh easily. 23. I wish I could write a best-selling novel. 24. I wish I could learn coding faster. 25. I wish I could grow my own garden. 26. I wish I could perform on stage confidently. 27. I wish I could drive across the country. 28. I wish I could go scuba diving. 29. I wish I could improve my health instantly. 30. I wish I could be more organized. 31. I wish I could visit historic landmarks. 32. I wish I could wake up early every day. 33. I wish I could watch the sunset every evening. 34. I wish I could build my dream business. 35. I wish I could make a difference in the world. 36. I wish I could dance gracefully. 37. I wish I could sing beautifully. 38. I wish I could stay positive all the time. 39. I wish I could fly like a bird. 40. I wish I could make new friends easily. 41. I wish I could change the past. 42. I wish I could find the perfect job. 43. I wish I could spend every day at the beach. 44. I wish I could ace all my exams. 45. I wish I could help stray animals. 46. I wish I could take better photographs. 47. I wish I could host my own TV show. 48. I wish I could overcome my fears. 49. I wish I could be a professional athlete. 50. I wish I could inspire others to achieve their dreams.